Hello again. What time is it? It's Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English time, and today we're looking at the present continuous to talk about things that are happening around now, around the time of speaking. For example, I'm drinking my tea. I started just before now, I'll finish later. Present continuous. It's happening around the time of speaking. My wife is watching television. She started just before now and she'll finish when it's time to cook dinner. So my wife is watching the television. So things that are happening around the time of speaking, before and they finish after. Have a look at these typical examples of the present continuous in English. Look at this. Traffic is driving through town. People are cycling. A pigeon is looking for food. People are sitting and relaxing, drinking coffee. A couple are walking their dog. So, the present continuous used usually to talk about things a few minutes of either side of the time of speaking. But you can also use the present continuous for a much longer period of time. For example, she's studying English at university. Now, maybe she's not studying right at this very second, but she started the course 1-2 years ago, and she'll finish in 1 or 2 years from now. But she's in the middle of the action that she started before, and it'll finish. It's not permanent. It's temporary. It'll only go on for a period of time. So, she is studying English at university, present continuous. I'm reading a really good book at the moment. Not at this second because I'm talking to you, but I'm reading a good book at the moment. I'm in the middle of it. I started a week ago. I will finish next week. So I'm in the middle of reading a very good book. Present continuous to talk about that action that started before now, it'll finish after now. It's temporary. Anything with ing ending is temporary and it has emotion. So, present continuous, the verb to be plus ing. The verb to be plus ing. For example, I am, he is, she is, we are, you are. The verb to be plus ing. I am, I'm working. He or she is, he's working. We are, you are, they are. We are, we are working. Present continuous, to be plus ing. Another example. Julie wants to work in Italy, so she's learning Italian. She's. So she's learning Italian. Maybe not at this very second. She's probably having a cup of coffee with some friends, but she's in the middle of her Italian course. She started before speaking. She'll finish after speaking, maybe 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. But it started before, it'll finish after, and it's temporary. So, Julie wants to work in Italy, so she's learning Italian. So, in our examples, we had the pigeon is looking for some food. The traffic is driving through town. We have the time of speaking, now. The time of speaking is right now. This is our timeline. Okay? We are here. The pigeon started eating or started looking for food here. It will finish looking for food and fly away somewhere else here. So it's in the middle of this action that started before speaking and finishes after speaking. Everything in English is seen from the time of speaking, now. The traffic is driving through town. It started before now. It finishes after now. The traffic is driving through town. Julie wants to work in Italy, so she's learning Italian. She wants to work in Italy sometime in the future, so at the moment she's learning Italian. She started before speaking and she'll finish after speaking, and then one day when she feels she's ready to work in Italy, she will go to Italy sometime in the future. Present continuous, the verb to be plus ing. So, English grammar, the present continuous tense, easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. I'm going to get back to drinking my tea. See you next time. Bye-bye.